Hi guys, today in front of me OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that we should press the power key button for a few seconds, but now just by pressing hold the power key we can see that the Google Assistant is activated, and if you want to turn off your device you should press the power key button and volume up button on the left side at the same time. Just after that we should just slide to the down this white dot to the power off. So this is the way if you want to use the Google Assistant for power key, and that's why you should press the power off and the volume up button to turn off your device. But if you want to use only the power key button to remove just to turn off your phone, you should open the settings and scroll down to additional settings. After that, click the power button, tap press and hold power button and switch voice assistant to the power off menu. And now just only by press and hold the power to the power key we can see the power off menu, and we can turn off our device by slide this white dot to the down. So now we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.